guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what's in my backpack. This is the Fjallraven Kanken backpack. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but that's what Google said when I looked it up online. So I'm just gonna go with that and hope that I said it right. So, alright, so stay tuned if you wanna see what's in my bag. Alright, so if you guys aren't familiar with this backpack, the Fjallraven Kanken backpack does come in two different sizes. This is the larger size, and I also have the mini here. Just to show you guys for comparison purposes. But this is the original size and this is the mini size. So you can see the original is quite a bit bigger than the mini size. The regular size here retails for $80 and it's, I would say, like the size of a normal backpack, so fits a lot of stuff. And I really love these backpacks, and as you can see I have two of them. But I really love these because I think they're super cute and they're just, I don't know, they hold a lot of stuff and they're pretty sturdy, I feel like. So yeah, I love these and they're super comfortable to wear. This backpack has two pockets. The bigger pocket, which is just like one huge opening, and then there's a smaller pocket up here in the front. And then inside the larger pocket, there is like a little sleeve here in the back. Let me see if I can show you guys. So you can see there is a sleeve here in the back, and it comes with this piece of like foam. And I was gonna take this out, but then I think I like read online, or maybe it was in the little paper pamphlet thing that this backpack came with, but it said that this little foam thing was in here so that you could use the backpack as like a seat pad. Because it's kind of soft, and also so that it's soft against your back. So once I read that, I decided not to throw this out yet, so I've just kind of left this in. I don't really use this like sleeve anyways, so it's just kind of there. The one thing that I really like about this backpack is that the zippers come all the way down. So let me see if I can show you. So if you see, like, this front flap comes all the way down, and I think that's just so convenient to get things in and out of. So I really like that. And then the other thing that I really like about this backpack is that it has two handles up here. So most backpacks only have one handle back here, but I find that with two handles, you can carry this bag like a handbag, or you can even carry it on your arm like this. So really convenient. And then it comes with this little snap closure thing, so you can put both straps here and then snap this closed to kind of hold the two straps in place. So I really like that feature of this backpack. Let me just say really quickly that I usually use this backpack on the weekends as kind of my bag and diaper bag together. My son is still, needs diapers and wet wipes, so we haven't fully transitioned off a diaper bag just yet. So I can't carry just a bag, and I find this to be more convenient than a large tote, obviously because this has a zipper, and also because I can just put it on my back, so I'm pretty much hands-free, whereas a tote, I'm trying to get my son and the tote keeps falling off. So this is definitely much easier. So I've been using this on the weekends, but lately I've actually been using it for work as well. So after the weekend's over, I'll just take out my son's stuff and then put in my work stuff, and I've really enjoyed this bag for work. So I'm going to show you guys what's inside. First thing I have in here is my water bottle. This one is a Hydro Flask stainless steel one. I've been trying to be a lot more sustainable recently, just in all aspects of my life, especially with regards to like fashion and one-time use things. So one thing that I've really started to do is bring a water bottle with me everywhere I go. I usually do this anyways, but I've been trying extra hard to do that. And I got this water bottle recently, which I don't think I should have gotten, because in an effort to be more sustainable, you should just use whatever you have. All right, so then the next thing I have in here is my planner. I take this with me wherever I go. It doesn't, I keep like everything in here. So work stuff, appointments for my son, to-do lists, ideas, anything and everything goes in here. I just like to have this in case I need to jot something down really quick. I don't necessarily use this to, plan like my everyday or anything, just because I don't have that much stuff going on every day. I'm just going to work and then coming home. but it's just really handy as like a notebook, and it's just nice if I need to reference dates or anything to schedule a dentist appointment, doctor's appointment. So yeah, my planner. Oh, and if you guys are wondering, this is the Hobonichi Weeks planner, and I got this off Amazon Japan, and I love this. And I've actually talked about this planner before in another video of mine, but this is the second year in a row that I've gotten this planner, so highly recommend this. Okay, and then this kind of goes with my planner, but I like to use they're Zebra mild liner like pens. I really like to use these with my planner just to color code, and I don't know, just to make planning a little bit more fun. But I really like these pens because the color is like kind of washed / faded a little bit, so they're not super bright on the paper, and they're just really nice and pastel-y. And then there's a thin side to the pen, and then there's also like a highlighter tip type side. So it's nice because I can either highlight things that are important, or if I just want to write in a different color, I just use the other side. So really, really like these, and these come in lots of different colors, but I don't know, this one's just my favorite. All right, next up, I have my sunglasses. I can't go anywhere without my sunglasses these days just because it's so hot and it's so sunny. And yeah, these are my sunglasses, and these are the Celine Audrey's. And I really like them because they have like a cat eye shape, but they're not super, super cat eye. And I really like the nude rim. I feel like I don't see it that often, and they're not like super, I don't know, stand out. Like their color, it's nude, but it's still very, very wearable, and they still look pretty professional, or just, you know, that you just look put together, so you don't look like you're wearing trendy fashion glasses. So I really love these, and I've had them for a really long time. Okay, next up is a reusable bag, and I always keep one of these in my bag, again, just so I can be a little bit more sustainable and use a bit less plastic. I hate asking for plastic bags, so I always try to bring my own. Okay, this is already eaten. I'm not sure why I have it in here. I think it was because I was going to see if I could recycle this, because it doesn't say on here, but these are so good. I discovered these recently. They're basically like little cheese chips, and you can just eat them as is, or you can use them in place of tortilla chips. So you can use them with like guacamole, you can put them in soups, and they're just super, super good, and they're really healthy too. All right, we're coming down on the last couple of items for this big pouch. The next thing I have is my little like pouch, my little pink pouch. This is from Kipling. And I don't know, recently I've been kind of into Kipling. I feel like this is like a 90s brand that was really popular. There's one in my local mall, and I just walked in one day and I thought this color was really cute, and I just really liked the little rubbery logo they have here, and of course the classic little monkey gorilla attached to all their products. So when I went the other day, they were having a huge sale, and then I bought this. So this is, I think, called like the creative or the creativity pouch, and I thought it was really cool because you just zip it. It's like one zip here, so there's one zipper here, and then when you unzip it, it's 3 different compartments. So there's one here, and then there's a middle one which has another zipper, and then there's one more pouch back here. And I just find it super convenient because you essentially have 3 different pouches, but in one. So you can kind of organize your stuff within your backpack. But again, you only have one pouch. So in this first one, I keep like all of my cosmetics and things like that. So I have like 2 chapsticks, a Smith's Minted Rose lip balm. I love this stuff. And then I have a Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. I have my Glossier, I think, oh, this is the Generation G lipstick in Zip, which I have my favorite Marc Jacobs lip gloss in French Tickler. I have a Glossier Cloud Paint. It's like a cheek tint in Puff. And then the last thing that I have in here is a mini version of the L'Occitane shea butter hand cream. That's what's in the first pouch, and then I don't currently have anything in the second middle pouch yet, so that's just empty. And then in this last pouch, I just have like some electronic stuff. So I have my extra battery charger, and then also my headphones, and then usually I also have extra camera batteries in there too, but they're all charging right now, so I don't have any of that in here. So yeah, that's the little pouch, and again, really love this. I think it's super convenient, super cute. Okay, and the very last thing that I have in this larger pouch is my work laptop. So not too exciting. But yeah, that's what the inside of this backpack looks like. And it's just super roomy, and I just really like it. Okay, and then so now we're into this little front pouch, and this pouch is honestly just a bunch of random stuff that I just always leave in here and never take out. So I'm just gonna take everything out and then just show you guys. So it's kind of random. It's like all my son's stuff, but I have like 4 crayons, and then I have 2 little like Hot Wheels cars for him. And then lastly, I have my little velvet ribbon bow tie hairband. And I just like to keep this in my bag instead of a normal hairband, because normal hairbands are so boring. So this one, if I feel like putting my hair up, it's just super girly, super cute, and it just adds a little bit of something extra to my outfit. So, and plus because it's in like this like blushy light pink, dusty pink, it's basically a neutral and it goes with everything. So really love this. All right guys, so that is it for what's in this backpack. And again, I really love this backpack. I think it's just so convenient, so well designed, super cute. Oh, and I forgot to mention, there's 2 pockets here on the side. So they're just, you know, they're not like secure or anything. It's just like a little pocket there, and then a little pocket here. You can put like a water bottle or something. My water bottle is too big and it doesn't fit, but I think this will fit like a normal plastic water bottle, but I don't recommend you guys use plastic water bottles. I think you should always bring your own water bottle, just to try and reduce the amount of plastic you're consuming. But yeah, you can, sometimes I put my phone here as well, so that's really convenient. And the pocket's pretty deep, so you can see it goes like all the way down. But yeah, I absolutely love this backpack, and I would highly recommend it. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below and let me know if you prefer backpacks over normal bags or tote bags. I'll have this bag linked down in the description box below, and I'll also have my blog and my Instagram linked below as well. I do post my outfits of the day on Instagram, so if you're interested in that, make sure to go and check out my Instagram. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!